Hello, I am Amauri Saldana and I will graduate from Riverside University High School and earn my youth apprenticeship certification. I feel comfortable working on a brake press machine. When I first saw one on the Lakeside tour, it looked intimidating, but after I started working there and received training, it took about 4 months to learn most of the dies, and it took me an additional 3 months to feel comfortable running it by myself. During the time, I also learned to use calipers, spot facers, deburr machines, operate drill presses, and use grinders. One of the valuable skills I got through GPS education that I might not have learned in a traditional high school is the art of preparing for an interview. I had the opportunity to practice answering some of the more common questions asked in interviews to be able to answer them professionally and be confident in myself. I learned that the way you dress for an interview can speak volume about the kind of person you are, regardless of the position you are applying for. Being a part of the GPS education program has set me apart from regular high school students in many ways. The program has taught me valuable life skills such as time management, communication, and teamwork. has provided me hands-on experience in manufacturing industry, giving me a unique perspective on potential career paths. I have had the opportunity to work with a diverse group of individuals, which has helped me develop a greater appreciation for different backgrounds and cultures. The GPS education program has helped me become a more well-rounded individual with better understanding of the world around me. In the upcoming months, my goal is to secure a full-time position in Lakeside manufacturing. My passion for manufacturing has grown through my experience at Lakeside, and I plan to continue exploring similar careers opportunities in the future. Regardless of where I ultimately end up, I am excited to apply skills and knowledge I have gained through my time at Lakeside to any future career. I would like to express my appreciation to everyone who has contributed to making this day possible. To my family, thank you for constant love and support. To my teachers and mentors, thank you for believing in me and helping me reach my potential. To my fellow graduates, congratulations and best wishes for your future. To future GPS students, take the lessons given by your skill coaches and teachers to make a positive impact on the world. Thank you all.